1 tablespoon of this doubles your tomato, cucumber, and pepper harvest. Secret fertilizer revealed. Are your tomato, cucumber, and pepper plants looking tired, producing small fruits, or struggling against diseases? Imagine if just 1 tablespoon of a simple natural fertilizer could change everything, making your crops grow faster, bear larger fruits, and resist pests and fungi without spending a cent on chemicals. In today's Soil and Crop Central video, we're revealing a powerful, time-tested formula that farmers swear by. And it's made with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Why natural fertilizers beat chemicals every time? Chemical fertilizers might give plants a quick boost, but over time they harm soil structure, burn roots, and reduce natural resistance to pests and fungi. Organic blends, on the other hand, feed both your plants and your soil. They work slowly, building long-term fertility while improving plant immunity. That's why the mixture we're about to make is so powerful. It delivers essential nutrients in the exact proportions plants need, strengthens their natural defenses, and encourages vigorous fruiting. The secret lies in 2 separate yet complementary mixtures. The first works as a foliar spray that shields plants from diseases while delivering calcium and potassium straight through the leaves. The second is a root-feeding solution that supercharges growth and helps your plants produce heavier, juicier fruits. When combined in your gardening routine, these 2 natural fertilizers can literally double your harvest. The first formula, the milk shield. For this part, you'll need 200 milliliters of milk and 1.5 liters of clean water. That's it, nothing else. The key here is dilution. Milk alone is too strong and can cause rot or mold on leaves. But when mixed properly with water, it becomes a gentle, nutrient-rich elixir. Milk is a treasure trove of nutrients for plants. It contains potassium for strong stems, calcium to prevent blossom end rot, phosphorus for root and flower development, and magnesium for lush green leaves. Even more importantly, milk naturally contains proteins that form a thin, invisible film when sprayed on leaves. This film works like armor, protecting your crops from fungi, viruses, and even certain insects. Once you've mixed your milk and water thoroughly, pour the blend into a sprayer. Shake it well so the mixture becomes even. Then, during the cooler hours of the day, early morning or late afternoon, spray it evenly across the foliage. Watch how the leaves glisten slightly as they're coated with this natural shield. When the milk dries, it forms that protective layer that keeps fungal spores away. Reapply every 10 to 15 days during the growing season, and your tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers will show visible improvements in vigor and yield. The second formula, the growth booster. Now let's feed the roots directly. For this, take 4 liters of chlorine-free water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Pour the water into a large bottle or container. Add the baking soda, then mix in the yeast. Close the container tightly and shake it well. Let this mixture rest for about 2 hours before applying it to your plants. Each ingredient plays a critical role. Baking soda acts as a natural antifungal agent, helping to control diseases like powdery mildew and leaf spot. Yeast, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin B, nitrogen, and phosphorus, all essential nutrients for strong growth, healthy leaves, and productive flowering. As the yeast activates, it releases beneficial microorganisms that enhance soil life and help roots absorb nutrients more efficiently. After about 2 hours, your natural fertilizer will be ready to use. You'll want to apply it directly to the soil at the base of your plants. Just like with the milk mixture, it's best to do this early in the morning or in the evening, when the sunlight is gentle. The cooler temperatures really help your plants absorb nutrients overnight without any stress. After just a few days, you'll start noticing stronger stems, greener leaves, and just an overall improvement in plant health. And within a few weeks, the difference in fruit size and quantity will be, honestly, pretty remarkable. So, how often should you apply these mixtures, and what can you expect? Use the milk solution every 2 weeks as a foliar spray, and the yeast mixture once a week as a soil drench. Over time, this rhythm builds a healthy ecosystem around your plants. The milk helps prevent disease from above, while the yeast nourishes from below. This dual action not only improves fruit size but also flavor. You can expect juicier tomatoes, crisper cucumbers, and sweeter peppers. Gardeners who stick with this simple schedule usually find their plants producing longer into the season and showing better resistance to temperature swings and those minor pest attacks. It's a natural, sustainable cycle that really rewards consistency. In just a few steps, you've created 2 natural fertilizers that cost almost nothing, yet deliver extraordinary results. With only 1 tablespoon of yeast and a small amount of milk, you can rejuvenate your garden, boost yields, and protect your crops from disease, all without chemicals. If you found this Soil and Crops Central video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and leave a comment about your results. Together, we're building a community of growers who believe that the healthiest soil creates the healthiest crops. See you in the next video, and may your harvest be abundant and full of life.